One day I was at a car dealership when a technician told me something surprising. Your car knows more about you than you know about it. I laughed, thinking he was joking, but he said seriously, if you knew all the hidden features your car has, you wouldn't just be driving, you'd feel like a co-pilot. Most drivers only use a tiny fraction of what their cars can do, from secret comfort tricks to safety features that save time, money, or even prevent accidents. There's a whole side of your car you probably don't know about. And today, I'm going to tell you 15 hidden features that almost every modern car has. And by the end, you'll be driving smarter than most people on the road. Number 15, smart trunk hands-free opening. Have you ever come back to your car with your hands full of groceries, bags, or even a baby carrier, only to struggle with opening the trunk? Many modern cars now have a hands-free trunk feature that makes this problem disappear. All you have to do is move your foot under the rear bumper, and sensors detect the motion.
In a second, the trunk swings open automatically, letting you load your items easily without dropping anything. This feature is available in many popular brands like Volkswagen, BMW, and Toyota, but surprisingly, most owners don't even know it exists. It's one of those small tricks that makes everyday life so much easier. And if you think that's convenient, wait until you see the next feature. It's about taking comfort inside your car to a whole new level. Number 14, quick windshield defog mode. One chilly morning, I was running late and got into my car only to find the windshield completely fogged up. I could barely see, and panic started to set in. Most people would start fiddling with the AC, heat, or rolling down the windows, wasting precious time and feeling frustrated. But modern cars have a simple solution: the quick windshield defog mode. By pressing the button with the windshield icon and 3 arrows, the system automatically adjusts airflow, temperature, and direction to clear the condensation in seconds. Some high-end models even sense the humidity inside the car and activate automatically without you touching anything. It's fast, safe, and keeps your morning stress-free. And if you think that's clever, the next feature could save you from an awkward moment at the gas station. Number 13, hidden fuel cap release. Imagine pulling up to a gas station after a long drive, ready to fill up, only to find your fuel cap stuck. You push, pull, even tap lightly, but it just won't budge. Most drivers panic in this situation, wasting time and getting frustrated. The good news is that many modern cars have a hidden fuel cap release as a backup, usually located inside the trunk or near the rear wheel well. Brands like Toyota, Ford, Lexus, and Subaru often include this clever feature, but most owners never even know it exists. It's one of those small, practical tricks that can save you from a stressful moment. One mechanic even joked, if drivers read their manuals like WhatsApp, I'd have less work. Knowing this trick keeps you moving without delay. Number 12, automatic brake hold on hills. I remember stopping at a steep hill with traffic behind me, and my heart skipped a beat, worried my car might roll backward. Most drivers tense up in these situations, especially if they're in a manual car. Fortunately, many modern vehicles have hill start assist, also called automatic brake hold. When you release the brake pedal on an incline, the system keeps brake pressure for a few seconds, giving you time to press the accelerator and move forward safely. Some cars even combine it with auto hold, which keeps the car stopped indefinitely without pressing the brake. This little trick prevents scary moments, reduces clutch and brake wear, and makes city driving much less stressful. And speaking of saving nerves, the next feature is a safety trick most drivers completely overlook. Number 11, driver fatigue alert. Driver fatigue is one of the most common causes of accidents, but many modern cars have a solution. Some vehicles monitor steering patterns, pedal pressure, and even your eye movements to detect when you're tired. If the system notices signs of drowsiness or erratic driving, it sends audible or visual warnings. Some even display a cute coffee cup icon, reminding you to take a break. Advanced models may tighten seat belts or flash hazard lights to wake you up. Studies show that this technology can reduce fatigue-related crashes by up to 25%. Brands like Volkswagen, Ford, Mercedes, and Subaru include versions of this feature. It's a quiet guardian ensuring you stay alert behind the wheel. Behind-the-scenes system that works while you focus on driving, keeping you safer without you even realizing it. Number 10. Eco, or efficiency mode. I used to complain about how much fuel my car drank in city traffic, especially during stop-and-go mornings. Then I discovered Eco, or efficiency mode, in many modern vehicles. With a single button press, the car automatically adjusts engine performance, transmission behavior, and even air conditioning flow to save fuel. On city drives, it optimizes every system, reducing fuel consumption by up to 10 to 15% without you lifting a finger. The best part is that you barely notice a difference in performance. It still drives smoothly, but your wallet feels the benefits. Some models even adjust cooling or heating only to the occupied zones, saving energy without any discomfort. It's like having a smart co-pilot who thinks about efficiency while you focus on the road. And speaking of helping others on the road, the next feature protects you and everyone around you. Number 9. Automatic high beam adjustment. Driving at night can be tricky, especially on dark roads, and many drivers accidentally blind others with high beams. That's where automatic high beam adjustment comes in. Cars with this feature use cameras to detect approaching vehicles or taillights ahead and instantly switch between high and low beams. When the road is clear, high beams reactivate automatically, giving you maximum visibility. Some systems even detect urban areas with street lighting and adjust accordingly. Brands like Toyota, Ford, Subaru, Volvo, and BMW include this technology. Beyond convenience, it improves safety by letting you see as far as possible without dazzling others. It's a small, hidden feature, but it prevents accidents, reduces stress while driving at night, and makes nighttime trips far safer. And if you thought safety couldn't get smarter, the next feature will surprise you even more. Number 8. Smart Recirculation Air Mode. I was stuck in traffic behind a smoky truck one afternoon, coughing as the exhaust filled the car. That's when I remembered that many modern cars have a smart air recirculation feature. Air quality sensors detect high levels of pollution, dust, or harmful fumes outside and automatically switch the system to recirculation mode. This means the car closes off outside air intakes and recycles the cabin air, keeping you safe and comfortable without pressing a single button. Brands like Hyundai, Lexus, BMW, Volkswagen, and Tesla include this function under names like Auto Air Quality Control or Smart Recirculation Mode. It's one of those invisible features that quietly protects your health every day. If you're learning things your car has been hiding all this time, hit subscribe. The next features aren't just clever, they could save you time, money, and even prevent accidents. Number 7. Remote climate and engine start. On a freezing winter morning, I used to dread getting into my car only to find it icy and uncomfortable. That changed when I discovered the remote engine and climate start feature in many modern cars. With a simple press on a remote or an app, you can start the engine and the climate system before even touching the car. In winter, the interior warms up. In summer, it cools down. Some systems even let you preset heated or ventilated seat temperatures. It's a combination of comfort, engine care, and convenience in one. By starting the engine early, you also stabilize oil and coolant temperatures, reducing mechanical wear. And speaking of smart automation, the next feature literally protects your car from an unexpected downpour. Number 6. Rain detection for windows and sunroof. Imagine leaving your windows slightly open, then a sudden rainstorm hits while you're away. Many modern cars prevent this disaster with rain sensors that automatically close windows and sunroofs. The system detects moisture on the windshield or roof, instantly activating the closure. In some connected cars, you even get an alert on your smartphone warning you that rain has been detected. This simple but powerful feature protects your interior from water damage, mold, or unwanted mess. Brands like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Toyota, and Mazda included, though in some cases you may need to activate it in the system menu. It's one of those hidden functions most drivers never realize, but it can save you from ruined electronics or soaked upholstery.
And while we're talking about protecting your car, the next trick safeguards your mirrors and your sanity. Number 5. Mirrors fold automatically when locking. Walking away from your car, have you ever wondered if you locked it? Many modern vehicles fold the side mirrors automatically when you lock the doors, giving you a visual confirmation that the car is secure. Beyond security, it also protects the mirrors from accidental damage, like passing bicycles, shopping carts, or tight parking spaces. The function is built into many brands, but most owners never activate it. Some systems let you fold mirrors by holding the lock button on the remote or through the configuration menu. It's a small, almost invisible feature that makes life easier, safer, and more convenient.
If you think folding mirrors is neat, the next feature actually prepares your car and cabin before you even step inside. Number 4, automatic mirror tilt for reverse parking. Have you ever struggled to park close to a curb without scratching your wheels or bumping the sidewalk? Many modern cars solve this problem with automatic mirror tilt. When you shift into reverse, the side mirrors tilt downward just enough to give a perfect view of the curb or parking lines. It's like having a mini valet guiding you. Once you switch back to drive or park, the mirrors return to their original position. This small hidden feature prevents scratches, curb damage, and parking frustration. Some brands even allow you to customize the tilt angle through the settings menu. It's one of those clever functions that feels invisible until you need it.
And speaking of hidden protections, the next feature stops both thieves and accidental jolts. Number 3. Pedal Combo Anti-Theft Lock. Imagine trying to start your car in a busy parking lot only to find it won't move. Some modern vehicles have a hidden anti-theft feature activated when both the brake and the accelerator pedals are pressed at startup. The car enters a lock mode that prevents the engine from starting, protecting it from theft. At the same time, it prevents accidental jolts, especially in automatic cars, avoiding embarrassing or dangerous moments. Few mechanics even mention this function, yet it can be a lifesaver in everyday situations. Brands like Hyundai, Nissan, Ford, and Chevrolet include it as a passive safety system. Knowing about it ensures that your car won't start in risky situations, protecting both your vehicle and your peace of mind.
And if you think safety ends there, the next feature can save you hundreds in workshop bills. Number 2. Hidden reset for the car's electronics. I once paid hundreds at a workshop because a warning light kept blinking, only to discover later that I could have fixed it myself. Many modern cars have a hidden electronic reset feature. With a simple sequence, usually pressing the brake, holding the start button, or using a dashboard reset button, you can reset sensors, warning lights, and minor climate control glitches. No scanner or mechanic is needed. This little-known trick can prevent unnecessary expenses, save time, and fix small software errors that make the car seem broken. It's one of the most practical hidden features in modern cars, yet most drivers never learn about it. Using it correctly can feel like having a secret tool that keeps your car running smoothly.
And finally, the number 1 feature is not just fun, it's extremely practical. Number 1. Windows up-down from remote. Most people think lowering or raising windows from the remote is just a flashy party trick, but it's actually incredibly practical. On a hot summer day, you can lower all the windows from outside to vent the heat before stepping into the car. Forget to close them after parking? No problem. You can raise them remotely without returning to the vehicle. Some brands even ship this feature deactivated by default, but you can enable it through your settings. It works on cars from Volkswagen, BMW, Toyota, and more. Many drivers accidentally discover it and think the car is magical. In reality, it's a hidden convenience that saves time, prevents discomfort, and adds a layer of control over your vehicle. It's the perfect combination of practicality and clever engineering. These hidden features can completely change how you interact with your car. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.